In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Stremio on a Samsung Smart TV. To get started, open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the search bar, type Stremio and look through the results until you find the official Stremio website. Make sure you're opening the official site so you get the correct download and compatibility information. Once you open it, give the home page a moment to fully load. From there, navigate to the Downloads section and open the Downloads page. Scroll down until you find the section for Samsung TV. This part is important because it will show you whether the app is available for your specific television. Take a moment to review the compatibility details for Samsung Smart TVs and confirm that your TV model is supported. If the site mentions a minimum year requirement, verify that your Samsung TV is a 2019 model or newer before moving on. Once you've confirmed compatibility, turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Using your remote, press the Home button to open the main menu, then go into the Apps section. If you're prompted to sign in to your Samsung account, go ahead and do that first, since some TVs require it before you can download apps. Inside the App Store, select the search icon and type Stremio into the search field. When the search results appear, choose Stremio and open the app page. Before installing, quickly review the app details and any compatibility notes shown on that page. Then select Install and wait for the installation process to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When the installation is complete, select Open to launch the app. Stremio should now start on your Samsung Smart TV. At this point, sign in to your Stremio account, or create a new account if you don't already have one. Follow any first-time setup prompts that appear on screen. These prompts help configure the app properly for your device and account. Next, allow the app to sync your library and preferences. This can take a little time, especially if you already use Stremio on another device. Once syncing is done, verify that the Stremio home screen loads correctly. To confirm everything worked, browse through movies and TV shows and make sure the app responds normally. If everything looks good, your installation was successful, and you're ready to start streaming your content through Stremio. Thanks for watching.